Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. And first, let's start by adding a text right here on our screen right here. So we're just going to go for text right here just for the sake of an example. And what I recommend you to do is to open up Essential Graphics when you're dealing with text right here. So to get this Essential Graphics, you can go here into Windows and make sure that you have your Essential Graphics checked right there. And then what you want to do is select your text right here, go into Essential Graphics, select your text, and now you can edit it. And when we now have this align option right here so that we can put it into the center perfectly, just like that by clicking these two buttons. And you can also edit your text by going into effect controls while you're selecting your text, and you can also go do it right here. But what I recommend you to do is to do it right here in Essential Graphics because you have more control over here. And now what we're going to do is to change the color of our text. We simply need to go here into the appearance and we have the fill. You can choose whatever color you like. Then you can go for this one maybe and that one. And you can change it into that one color. Or you could also have some stroke that you'd want. So you can go for white, for red, and you can choose a thickness by changing this value right here. Let's say 10. And as you can see, it's becoming thicker, or maybe 30, just like that, so that we can really see it just like that. And we can also add some backgrounds if we want. Let's say we want it white, and as you can see, it's now white. And you can adjust the opacity so that you can go for that one right there. You can adjust the settings right here to make it look like that. And of course, for the shadow, if you need it, you can also do it right there. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.